Okay, just wanted to make a quick update video. Apologize, there's some background noise right now. But I unexpectedly had a lot of time to work on the firmware recently. So I've added a few new features that people have asked for and generally cleaned up the menus. The rest of the functionality is pretty much unchanged. I'll just tear it so it's 0 here. You'll see that the manual screen and the auto ready screen look exactly the same, except I just changed this text a little bit, excuse me. Go back to manual. But now, this is what settings looks like. So previously there were 5 menu options. I removed pulse duration because it turns out it's a useless setting. And I also now removed the exit option because it was just a waste of space. So now to enter and exit the settings, you just hit the settings button to move in and out of the settings. Then we have dose, preferences, calibrate, and reset. So preferences is the new menu, but calibrate, reset, and dose are all the same as before. So you can set the target and the offset. Calibrate asks you if you want to calibrate, and then reset has yes, no, and overwrite. So going into preferences menu, there are 2 new things. There's a beeper and a timer. So the beeper was requested by one user who said he didn't want to have to look at the screen to tell if it was finished dosing, because sometimes when it's finishing, it can be very quiet and it's not sure, it's hard to tell if it's finished or not. So a little beeper allows you to kind of get an auditory cue that the dosing is finished, and this can be turned on or off. The timer just displays how long the dosing has been taking. I just added this because it's a nice in videos to show how fast it's actually dosing, but this can also be turned off if you don't want it. So I'm going to have both of them on for demonstration here. So you just hit as always, you hit the center button to accept settings in any of the menus and return, and then we'll go back here. And I have some beans in here, and I will demonstrate now what a dose with a timer and a beeper turns on looks like. So it says it took 6.8 seconds, which is a little on the long side. I haven't quite finished tuning this one. The weight is displayed here, and you heard the beep. So I'll do that again. I'll put it in auto mode and show that it essentially works the same here. So 5.1 seconds. And then the normal remove container alert pops up. And you, again, heard the beep. These settings or these features will be in all units as of those that are shipping today. Always happy to hear more feedback or feature requests for future devices from users.